Hey guys, in this short tutorial I want to show you how to attach a weapon to a character's hand with Blender in a way that weapons can be switched easily than in a game engine like Unity. As you know, I created this pistol model and rigged it. Here you can see it has a root bone, and with the child bones you can transform parts of the mesh. For example, the mag here, I go to pose mode and you can see it. And with this bone you can transform the slide. It is not a part of the character's armature, and I want to avoid this because I want to have one armature for the player and switchable weapons. But anyway, I want to attach it to the character's hand for animating, so that it is moved or rotated when posing the hand. I have an IK bone defined for the hand so that I can pose this easily, for instance by using the transform tool. That's a really comfortable way to pose the arm of the character. And what I want to do now is to attach the pistol to the bone of the right hand. You can see this here in X-ray. I want to attach it to the hand bone, not the IK bone, because this bone is always affected when I pose the hand, no matter if I'm using IK or FK. Okay, first of all I select the pistol's armature, so I change to object mode and select it, and then I switch to pose mode and be sure to have pose position selected, not rest position, so that you can pose the bones. And then I move and rotate the root bone of the pistol's armature to a position in which it lines up with the hand of the character. When using the gizmo you can press the Ctrl key while rotating to rotate in steps of 5 degrees. It's a bit tricky, but you'll get used to it soon, but it needs practice. Alright, looks good, and now comes the most important part. With the root bone selected, go to the Bone Constraints panel and add a child of constraint. For the target, select the character's armature and then find the bone of the right hand, not the IK bone, choose the hand bone. Now that looks weird, but after pressing Z inverse, the position and rotation is corrected. Now the pistol is attached to the hand of the character, and when you select the character's armature then, first in object mode, then switch to pose mode, and move around the hand, the pistol will follow. Of course you can also use the keyboard shortcuts to move or rotate the hand. Okay, now press Alt-G and Alt-R to reset the pose to the rest position. But let's suppose you want to store a certain pose, to that you can return when animating your model. For this I recommend to use a pose library. I do this now for this holding pose. In pose mode I open the armature panel, press New to create a new pose library. This one we can call lip arms, for instance. Then I press the A key to select all the bones of the armature. Press this button and choose Add New. And the pose I call Hold Pistol. Then I go ahead and change the current pose. But if I want to return to the Hold Pistol pose, I select it from the pose library and press this button to apply this pose. I highly recommend to use it when creating animations, it can be a lifesaver. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. In the next one I will show you how to texture low poly models, and then we will create animations and export these to Unity. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then add these to the comments below, and I see you soon in the next one here on Jayanam.